welcome back, Time with Grace. So today I will bring you guys some snacks and I'm going to be trying new things. It does come from my local Asian supermarket and I have no idea what any of this stuff is. It's not like super different, but it's something that I never tried. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of something. So I don't know what I'm going to be starting off with today, but let's see. None of this I could read because it's in, I'm not going to say what it is in because I don't know if it's Chinese, Korean, or whatever, Japanese. But I don't know if I should play it safe. Okay, I feel like we should leave dessert to the end, you know? So I feel like this is safe, so I think I'm gonna go with safe first because I mean, the only thing it says is cheese ring. So let's see. Smells artificial. That's what it smells like. So here, let's go ahead and give it a try. Tastes like corn, like pure corn. It's not bad though. Like, so my ratings are gonna be from like 0 to 10. 10 being the best, 0 being the worst, of course. I feel like I tasted this before, so I'm gonna give it a 4, 5. Let's give it a 5. Yeah, let's give it a 5. Okay, next. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna do these. And I don't know what this says, but there's chili on it and a corn going. Okay, let's see. I can't open it. Okay. It doesn't smell good. Oh my god, they're like hot Cheetos. Like the form is like hot Cheetos. I actually like these. But I feel like if you put some Valentina on it, it tastes better. Just saying. Okay, I'm over it. So, this one is from the brand Jack and Jill. That's what it says on the top. Potato chips V-cut. And the flavor we decided to get was spicy barbecue flavor made from 100% real potatoes. Okay, this is how it looks. And the calories is 180. So I smell all my food. They do not smell good. I'm kind of scared to try it. Okay. Yeah, I don't like these. I think I give it a 0. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna finish this chip. But that's it. If you guys want to try it. Should I leave these for the end? These actually brought my attention. They're cup noodles. And I love some cup noodles, you know? Especially Maruchan, you know? So, let's see what it says, what flavor they are. So in the front, it has some shrimp. So I'm guessing it's like shrimp cup of noodles. It says Tom Yum Goong flavor potato chips. And ta-da! It's purple. I like the color. And there's a lot of air in it, like really tight air in it, which is kind of weird. Hopefully there's not like a gush of wind. I can't open my. You open these. So I couldn't open it, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Cut it. No, I'm just kidding. And that's not working either. Oh! I knew there was a gush of air. I wonder why they put so much air in it though. Like, okay, I guess I know why, because there's nothing in here. It doesn't smell like cup of noodles. It actually tastes just like potato chips. Yeah. I think I prefer these for the chips type of things. These over all of them. But this is like since it just tastes like, oh, it's kind of spicy. But, yeah. My ratings right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and say it. So this is a 0, the barbecue chips ones. The cheese rings is gonna be a 5. This one, I give it a 7 because I like the spiciness at the end. And this one with some Valentina, I give it probably like a 8.5. And that's for this one. So now, the candy. Or not even the candy, the dessert. So, I decided to get some things that I've never seen or tried. And okay, open it. Oh my god. They put tape around this. There's plastic for some reason. I don't know if this is supposed to hold them or something, but I think, should I just get one of these? Okay, whatever. Smells like chocolate, and it is chocolate flavor. It's called Sticko chocolate. Oh. This is good. It's like fortune cookie, but way thinner. Like, it's super crunchy. Like, I like the crunchiness, but there's not a lot of chocolate in it. So there's no flavor in it. So I don't know what I'm gonna give it because I haven't tried these. I'm gonna go with the, what is that? Cacao? Cocoa? Mochi? Mango flavor? I don't know what it is, but it's mango flavor mochi. And this is how it looks. And hopefully I like it because the packet. Oh my god, that's so cute. That is really cute actually. Just the packaging is a 5. Okay, so there's first off, there's like this little thing in it. I don't know what that is for. Maybe it's like to maintain it or like for moisture or something. But ooh, so these are like covered in. Hopefully it's. I don't know what it is. But oh, it's super squishy. Like, look at. All right. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it now. Super squishy. I wish you guys could hear this. It sounds good. I wonder if you guys could hear. Watch. I don't like it. So I think maybe the texture of it I don't really like, but it's really cute. It doesn't taste bad. I just don't like the texture. Next. So I'm not a big fan of this. This is taro. Taro cakes. Taiwan flavor. So their packaging is all hard to open, just saying. Really hard. Whew, I'm nervous. I don't like taro. Oh, this is cute too. Look it. So pretty. Not bad. Okay. Oh. It's like cake. I mean, it does say taro cake, but I thought it would be like a little bit moisture in it, but it's dry. So like, watch. Crumbles. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it, and I'm kind of scared. Cheers. Ooh, it smells weird. Doesn't taste like anything. Literally nothing. I thought it'd be like at least something, but the bread is dry as hell. The taro has no flavor. I'm pretty sure taro is supposed to have flavor, right? Y'all can leave that in the comments below. Yeah. Put that away. Alright, next, these. So I was super excited for this. First of all, look at the packaging. It's so cute. Here, let me try to show it to you. I'm just kidding. There you go. There you go. Okay. It says French cookies. Oui, oui. Yeah. Okay. Let's get it. Bonjour. Alright. And of course, again, the packaging is misleading. I thought it was just gonna open, but I guess not. Oh, look at these. So cute. And they're kind of crumbling. I don't know if that was my fault. But here, let me get a cute one. That's a whole one. So, this is the cookie, and it's so cute. So, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It says Miko Food Stuff on the cookie. But the package says Richin French cookies. So I was guessing there would be like Richin on it, but I guess not. Ooh, look at that. Crispy. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. These are good. So, I like these. Like, they're not too sweet and they're not too bland. They're just right. And I don't know, I feel like I tried these before. I just don't know from where. Like another version of, ooh, I know. You know the cones? The ice cream cones? Basically, this is what it is, but just flat and thinner. And it's super like crunchy. I think this is how cones are supposed to taste like, without being soggy after you put ice cream in it. But yeah, these are really good. I like these. I'm gonna give these a 10, and these a 5. This Tara one, I give it a 4. A 4 because it didn't not bother me, the taste. And these mochi, it's really cute for the packaging, so I'm gonna give it a 3. Wait, you know what? Just because it's like actually mochi, like maybe like a 3.5. It's just something about the filling is not that good. And yeah, I mean, this is the end of my video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. So thank you for watching, and give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe. And if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. And thank you for watching. Bye!